Hi everyone, so I'm very happy to be on Radio Free Asia today, and I take this opportunity to wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan people around the world a very, very happy and blessed Tibetan New Year. God bless you all. And I am a profound believer in the power of kindness, love, and genuine compassion for others. I have tried to live my life by these values, and I found a great peace and joy in helping others. Something His Holiness teaches us every single day. So this new year, my wish is that you will stay true to your Tibetan Buddhist values of kindness and become a true catalyst of change in this world. So God bless you. Losar Tashi Deleg, my friends.
Tashi Delek, I'm so happy to be on Radio Free Asia today to wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the Tibetan people and the Himalayan community a very happy Tibetan year. This year is extra special as His Holiness will turn 90, and so on this auspicious occasion, I wish and pray for the long and healthy life of the Dalai Lama Ji. Happy Losar once again to His Holiness and all my Tibetan brothers and sisters. Namaste.
Hey everyone, this is Sunil Shetty and I'm super excited to be here on Radio Free Asia today to wish His Holiness, the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan people a very, very happy Tibetan New Year. May the Tibetan spirit of resilience and values of compassion and good-heartedness continue to be passed on for eons to come. May your unique culture and religious tradition live on forever and benefit countless people around the world.
Namaste to all the Radio Free Asia fans. I, Vivekanand Oberoi, would like to wish a happy Tibetan New Year to His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, the Tibetan people, and all our Himalayan brothers and sisters. On this auspicious occasion, I send my heartfelt wishes for peace, joy, and prosperity. Your vibrant culture, deep-rooted traditions, and unwavering resilience are a testament to the strength of your incredible community. Your spirit continues to inspire the world, reminding us all the power of hope and perseverance. Let us continue to spread love, compassion, and kindness to the world. Tashi Delek to each and every one of you.